How to fix randomly shuts off on Realme Narzo 90x. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it not solved, so check your power keys. After check your power keys, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, turn off auto restart button. After turn off auto restart button, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end. Click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix randomly shuts off on Realme Narzo 90x. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.